Okay, again this is the noise from the car now that it is started. I have switched the front coil packs for the rear coil packs, also switched the spark plugs round. I'm still showing a cylinder 1 misfire. Now the noise to me is coming through the exhaust system. Reason behind this, completely baffled. Just want to listen to the noise for a bit. That's at 4,000 RPM. If I let the car come down to idle, it will die. Like so. Obviously I'm guessing it's dying because of the misfire. I've run a diagnostic. It says again P0301 misfire cylinder 1. Now I've ruled out the coil packs. I have ruled out the spark plugs because I have swapped both from cylinder 1 to cylinder 2 and it hasn't made any difference. The only other possibility is the leads, but again they're brand new and they're Magna-Core, so I'll be incredibly surprised by that. Now completely baffled.